students, class 8. Today we will continue with the chapter database and DBMS. In previous lecture, I told you that how we will work with the MSS software. In today's lecture, I will tell you how to make a proper table in MS Access. First of all, I told you that very first thing is primary key. So I am writing the customer admission number of the student. Like suppose the admission number of a student I am going to type the admission number, right, dear students. Here I am typing the admission number 1 and the field. First I will want to remove the field word and I will write the student's name over here. And then students. Now I want to write the roll number over here. Next slide I want the contact address. Like suppose this simple table I want to make. So now we will start to proceed one by one data. My first student name is Rahul. Second student and the roll number is 23. Contact address is 2/2 1 and this is the proper one table. Now move to the next statement, student. Next statement will be next email IDs will be second. And then we will write that particular email ID over here. Here we will write the next name Suresh and the table will be, I will write 33 and the contact address will be just like anything you can make in the contact address. Okay. Now actually it is taking already as like a date of birth. So I don't want date of birth, I want that particular whatever address I have given, that should be there. So we have to go with the enter value option and we have to select that particular table for that. Okay students. Now in the case of MS Access, this feature you will not get in MS Excel. In the case of MS Access, if any feature is wrong, it will not allow you to go in a next step. As you see that I have not given my contact address in a valid format. So that's why here where I am going to show you is showing this is invalid format, means give a value in a proper way. When I will change this value, then only give permission to move in another table. Okay, now students, I want that you come for this menu bar and see what is exactly we can do with the help of MS Access. Like suppose there is one student who is reading in our Fateh Public School. The name is Rahul. Now by the time I want to make their form, so I will go in a create option. The create option is present on your menu bar and then select the particular table you want to present. I want this table, so I will select this table properly. Need to select first table student. I have selected the 3 data of the student and go for the form option. And yes, you have to give the form number name, yani table name, and can you see my Rahul form is present. So with the help of MSSS, we can make the form like this way. Now you will make a big data, so you can make a big form. Like it is when you are going to take admission in any school, the school will give you an application form. So by this help of, we can make any application form where the students and employers are registered their personal information. Okay, so making the form, you need to first save that particular table and you go for that section. So today we learn how to make form with the help of MS Excel. Thank you so much.